it down.
Sloan's about to be slain.
Let's do this.
Coward, I actually killed him. Whoa. Who shot me? Oh, there are more people. Okay.
I'm gonna watch this game. Come on, I'm usually better at this. And wait, how much weight? That ain't that much. That ain't that much as how far I am, man. Plus, Joshua, you also have a lot of strength in this game, so you can hold on to quite a bit of items like that.
Well, actually, maybe I shouldn't right now because I'm almost dead. I'm gonna go sleep in the barracks.
Yeah, I feel like
all these
one.
dead people around.
What? So the game just glitched out and
What are you playing now?
free throw, and it just crashed again.